box? Okay.
What about filter? Non-flow.
Filter must be inside the compartment.
Inside the
Compartment, right? Okay. So guys, here I think
Chairman, hang on a second. I wanted to clear questions about the control philosophy. What do you mean by your recommendations include a control philosophy? Shouldn't what are you saying? They haven't provided a control philosophy, or what is it?
actually right now, as I understood from the pure water, that package.
Sorry?
This blower is given by vendor. This is vendor package, and they do not have the information of operation, control, and safeguards here. Say for example, there is a filter. So filter, we do not know whether there is DPH is there or this is auto cleaning system is there. They do not know. So that is why team has.
Okay, I see. But that's not acceptable because the control philosophy should include the supplier's input.
Yeah. That is why I do not.
You go to point number 2, for example, for the process area blowers, we just put a note. No. He said ask about the control philosophy. So we have already submitted the control philosophy. What's coming back? So we mentioned that functionality of the blowers, for example, for the process area blower, so the aeration tank, how it will work. So we mentioned that we have DO sensors related for the dissolved oxygen, and we have DFD. It will control to keep the percentage of the oxygen within 2 or 3. So all these points mentioned there in the control philosophy. In the B&ID, just we put some highlights points. That's it. As you can see now, like example number 2. This is related for the process area blowers. You have also some points. It's like number 1, you will see that one in the control diagram, like what will happen. You have like a temperature switch. In case of the temperature switch coming high, immediately it will shut down the blower for protection. In case you have the pressure at the sections difference increase, it will also switch off. At high or even at low discharge point, it will protect the blowers. So all this, it is mentioned in the control philosophy.
Sometimes we also say cause and effect chart. So you will be having cause and effect chart. Yeah. So that I'm saying that, including cause and effect.
Yeah. Cause and effect, so common, they need to go and this is the.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So. Yeah, डाल दिया देखो ना.
No. Cause and effect.
Okay, you can put complete one, huh?
Cause and effect and then bracket E and E.